So, I was on designing, I always say so, have you noticed at the beginning of videos? So. Anyway, I was on designing the collar for this. It's 46 millimeters across from one side to the other. I was thinking when I put the laser in, I want the laser in next to it. And I also need a vacuum, so I'm going to put the vacuum system there to suck all the dust up. The laser's going to go there. I'm going to put a pen in there, so there's going to be a pen. And how I'm going to get the laser to go on? But when this goes up, so if I constantly have the laser turned on, so the laser's turned on all the time, so it's always on. If I put one switch on the back of here to turn the laser off when it comes up, and when the laser goes down, it turns the laser on, so I don't have to change any settings and just run the normal code as the code. So when this goes down, it turns the laser on, and when it comes up, turns the laser off. So I'm just going to put a little switch here, so when I'm using the laser, I just click that switch on, flip something along like something come out, goes over the top of the switch, set the laser on, turn the laser on, and there's another switch next to it, so there'll be two switches. And simple. So as soon as this goes up, it turns the laser off, and as soon as this goes down, the laser turns on. If it's got no blade and that won't catch nothing, the laser will come on as it goes down and do the markings. I don't know why people are messing around changing all the drivers and putting extra driver in when you can actually use the access. It's on its own thing. So all you need to do is put like what do they call, an end switch on here, connected to the laser, because the laser's always turned on, and you tell the control how high you want it to go. Once it's set to know up and down 5 mil, it'll go up 5 mil to turn it off, down 5 mil to turn it on, so you know your cut depth's 5 mil every time. And that, as soon as you set your cut depth on your blade, it'll think it's a laser, the laser will turn on, then that'll become the cut depth. But obviously it'll be a laser, but you'll be telling it to cut 5 mil deep to touch the trigger, because if you tell it to do 3 mil down, it won't touch the trigger, because the trigger will be down here. So you need to tell it to go down to 5 mil, and that'll activate the laser on. Then the laser will kick in and start doing its thing. Then it'll go up 5 mil and it'll turn the laser off. So it's going to be pretty easy, and no messing around with settings or anything. All same technique, same G codes and everything. Perfect. So that's another thing done, the laser. But we've also got to put a pen in it, in the vacuum, to suck all this up, and the vacuum will go up over here as well. But we just need to make on the future one of these, we'll put another clip on here, and we'll put something out of here, and they'll touch each other, and that'll be for the laser to turn on and off. Got quite excited about that when I realised I could just turn this on all the time. So if you turn it on all the time, it's on all the time. But if you've got a switch in between it to turn it off, on like it's just one of them, but on the machine. So when the machine goes down, turns the light on, the laser light on, and the machine goes up, turns it off. So simple. People are messing around with drivers, and you go and have a look on YouTube how to connect laser to CNC. You won't get a quicker and simpler explanation than I've just give you. No chance.